Welcome to Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is about plans and planning techniques. So planning is the process of setting performance objectives and determining how we're going to accomplish them. Planning is one of the 4 functions of the management process. So it's extremely important in business and extremely important as a manager to understand planning and the planning process. So one of the big takeaways from this chapter talks about strategic and operational plans. And so as managers, we identify short-term and long-term goals for our organization. And to do this, we have to have a vision. And a vision clarifies the purpose of our business or organization and what we hope to be in the future. So the future part is really what sets apart the vision. It's where you see yourself in the future. So that's what a vision is. Versus a mission, which a vision is on page 89. The definition of a vision is on page 89 of your textbook. And a mission is on page 120 in chapter 7 of your textbook. And a mission is a clear and lofty sense of why your company exists. So those are the 2 definitions from your textbook of a vision versus a mission. So just keep in mind the big difference here is that a vision is what you hope to be in the future, and a mission statement is a clear sense of why you exist currently. So if you're asked to develop a vision statement or a mission statement, you want to understand the difference. So that's the big takeaway from chapter 5.